World Liberty Financial is doing a phenomenal job of recovering today, bouncing off some recent lows, sitting above 13.5 cents at the moment, and things are actually looking very green. Now, I'm going to talk a little bit about the sentiment surrounding World Liberty Financial and the news. There's not much direct news that is new, right? And that's exactly what news is. We've got ongoing buyback and burns. We've got price action that is rather stale as the overall market has been beaten down over the last couple of days. So let's essentially talk about what is affecting the price of World Liberty Financial and why I believe that it can recover and recover swiftly. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now, as you can see, this is a beautiful chart. This is a 5-minute chart, and today the cryptocurrency market is experiencing a nice rally. Prices across the board, it's not just World Liberty Financial, but prices across the board are doing extremely well. From 12.5 cents to 13.5 cents over the last couple of hours, this is looking very good. Nearly a 10% increase just in the last couple of hours here. The overall market is looking fantastic today. Bitcoin back up above 113, testing 114,000. Ethereum 4,100. BNB is up to 1,100. XRP 250. Solana nearly $200 once again. So prices are rising. However, don't get ahead of ourselves yet because we're only sitting at a level of 33 fear. We have got so much room to run before we even get back to neutral territory, let alone bold or greedy or extremely greedy. So I am very excited about this price action. We're looking at an altcoin season that has cooled off all the way to level of 28. So there's a lot to be said for what's up ahead. Now, with that, let's talk about some factors affecting World Liberty Financial. It says Trump's family tokenization plan. Eric Trump recently announced plans to tokenize Trump family real estate using World Liberty Financial's USD1 stablecoin. So the idea here is that for $1,000, you're going to be able to own real estate tokenized on the blockchain. Now, it has not been released yet. There's no more details about it yet, but that's the overall plan, and that would create a lot of utility for World Liberty Financial and the USD1 stablecoin. Now, here's where a lot of the negative sentiment comes from. People hate the president, man. It is absolutely wild how much hatred they have for this man and his family. And because of that, there's a lot of scrutiny over the fact that they've been making money in cryptocurrency over the last year. Now, it says scrutiny over Trump family profits. Financial Times report revealed that the Trump family's earned over $1 billion in pre-tax profits, not just from World Liberty Financial, but literally all of their cryptocurrency ventures combined. Market volatility and buybacks. This is the main thing affecting the price right now, and we know that with all of the news surrounding China and the United States trade deals is causing a lot of price volatility and really what caused the most recent sell-off. Cross-chain expansion. Guys, despite all of the volatility, the ups and the downs, World Liberty Financial continues to cross-chain expand. They're expanding USD1 stablecoin, and of course there's been a little bit of controversy surrounding Justin Sun's wallet being blacklisted and so on. This is the latest news surrounding World Liberty Financial. Let's talk about what's upcoming because I do believe that these gains will continue on. We've got a Chinese trade deal that is being negotiated. We've got a government shutdown that will not last. You know what? I probably wouldn't mind if the government shutdown lasted forever. We need to shrink the size of the government dramatically. And if they don't open back up, it's probably for the better. But I imagine they will. They're too greedy to stay shut down forever. They're too greedy not to continue being paid and so on. So we will see that alleviated. And we've got interest rate cuts. They're going to be happening potentially at the end of the month here. So we've got a market that is expecting another round of interest rate cuts at the next Federal Reserve Open Market Committee. So we've got all of these catalysts on the horizon, and as such, I believe they are positive catalysts, not just for World Liberty Financial, but for the entire market. So with that, I continue to buy. Yes, I am using KSEX and Best Wallet. to buy World Liberty Financial. You've got links for both of those down in the description if you're interested. But I'm also buying tiny little tokens like Maxi Doge. Guys, I believe that the meme coin rally is going to be unprecedented. I believe we are going to see a meme coin market cap like we have never seen before, and as such, I am loading up on meme coins. If you guys are interested in any of it, make sure to check all that info out down there. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.